I've been making venison jerky for as long as I can remember. I've done whole meat, ground meat, multiple seasonings, and many ways of preparing it. This recipe is tried and true and never fails to please the crowd. This is 4 pounds of ground venison from last season's harvest. Follow the link in the upper right-hand corner to see the harvest and preparation of this meat. I'll be mixing in raw honey from our property, High Mountain Original Blend jerky seasoning, and Colgin Mesquite liquid smoke. Follow the High Mountain directions for the correct amount of seasoning and cure based on the quantity of meat you're using. For this recipe, I use 3 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of seasoning, and 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of cure. Add 4 tablespoons of liquid smoke. And 3 tablespoons of raw honey. Mix thoroughly. I prefer to prepare my jerky this way because it ensures that the seasoning is evenly mixed into each piece of jerky. Put the mixture in the refrigerator overnight to marinate. I use a Weston Jerky Gun with an LEM stainless steel nozzle for consistent thicknesses. Pack the gun with meat, being sure to squeeze out as many of the air pockets as possible. I prefer to use a dehydrator when making jerky as the cooking temperatures are easier to control than other methods I've tried in the past. Extrude the strips of jerky onto the trays. I use garlic salt and homemade chipotle seasoning to add an exterior dusting of flavor to each piece of jerky. Follow the link in the upper right hand corner to see how I made this chipotle. Mix 1 tablespoon of chipotle to 2 teaspoons of garlic salt and coat the jerky. As much as I'm sure you'd love to hear the relaxing sounds of a 2.5-year-old and a 4-month-old in the background of this video, I opted to cut the audio. I set the dehydrator to 160 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. You can cook the jerky longer if you like, but I prefer a bendable, chewy jerky as opposed to a stiff, sharp jerky. Spread the trays out to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the strips from each tray and load up your desired storage container. I like to throw a silica gel packet into the bag to absorb any moisture that's released during storage. I will share a link in the description to these particular packets. There are very few snacks that come close to topping a self-sourced and prepared venison jerky. This recipe has been a family favorite for many years, and based on Emmy's relentless hunger for it, I think it's safe to say it will be a favorite for many years to come.